Hi there, this is John from Telerik. Just wanted to spend a couple of minutes here showing you a capability of the Kendo UI Core distribution, which allows you to create custom builds. This is useful in scenarios where you want to only use certain components of Kendo UI Core, thereby minimizing the size of the dependency in JavaScript that you take for that component. Oftentimes there are instances where you only want to use a certain section of Kendo UI Core, and we have that capability to do so through a tool called Grunt. Grunt is a very popular JavaScript task runner, and inside of the Kendo UI Core release, we have a Grunt file which defines a task, which is a custom task, allowing you to create custom builds. Let's see how this works. So here I am in my environment. As you can see, I have the repo cloned locally, and what I'd like to do is just show you the tasks that we have defined for Grunt itself. There is a feature which is task completion in Grunt, which you can facilitate very easily through your shell. Simply by hitting the tab key, you'll see a list of tasks that are defined inside of your Grunt file. So here we have Grunt tasks for creating builds. We also, by default, run a series of tests through Karma. So we have over 1,000 tests that you can run against Kendo UI Core. But the one that I want to show you here is the task which is custom. So what this allows you to do is define a set of components that you wish to build a custom build for. So by saying grunt space custom colon, I can then specify a number of components from the Kendo UI Core library that I wish to build against. So I can say I want to have autocomplete and list view. What this will do is go ahead and search the dependencies for each of those components and include them into a custom build, generate a bundle, and then put that into the distribution folder that you see here. So if I do a listing of that distribution folder, you can see I have a couple of JavaScript files. So I have my unminified and minified version, and then I have the map file, which allows me to do variable mapping within DevTools for browsers. So this gives you a really nice facility to generate custom builds, and really helps you minimize the weight, if you will, of your dependencies that you take from Kendo UI Core. I hope this helps.